For K1, our unit of inquiry, we were studying about King Rama IX and his projects. Showed quite a few videos to the children. The students were impressed with how his projects help the people grow food. Because I guess in Thailand before there wasn't a lot of food like in Isan. So they were very impressed with that. So we decided to see how a plant grows. So we got our green bean seeds, and over the course of 3 or 4 weeks we watched them grow. We planted them in cotton wool and actually documented and watched how a little seed breaks apart, the roots come out. It was very visual for the students, and it was amazing for them to really grasp how a plant grows and how a plant can grow in cotton wool with no food. After that, we transplanted the plants into dirt, and then they took them home. But this really piqued their interest. So we asked the students, you know, what's next? What should we do next? And they said, well, where does the food go? Where does this go? You know, can we eat this? And I said, yeah, probably. I wouldn't, but we could. So the next step was to go see where they get their food. We planned a trip to Tops, which was amazing. The students were so great, well-behaved, and documenting everything, asking questions. It was really good. And then we finished the project by exploring different jobs in the community, and well, it started in the supermarket with role play, different jobs in the community, because our theme is, you know, who we are. So not only did we tie in the king, but now we're trying jobs out, and we expanded from the grocery store into the community. So we had, you know, store clerks, and we had customers, then we went to policemen, firemen, so the whole gambit of who we are. We collaborated with the Thai class, where they studied about plant seeding, which is where you make rain, like in Isan where there's no rain, and that helps the plants grow. We also collaborated with the Chinese class, where Miss Mandy taught the kids the names in Chinese also of different fruits and vegetables. My experience was, it was really neat. The students were amazing. I was really impressed with the Tops trip. They were just like they were 20 years old. It was incredible. I'd forgotten about the bread, and one of the students said, "Mr. Chimp, you forgot the bread." It's like, okay, it's over there. So really impressed. It was a great unit of inquiry. You gotta hold on.